It's your boy Umasonic 2016.
Storms will impact portions of southeastern Wyndham, northwestern Bristol, northeastern Kent, Providence, and Bristol counties through 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Gloucester to Foster. Movement was east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include winds in excess of 40 miles per hour, pea-sized hail, and brief heavy rain. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Little to no impact from hail is expected. Locations impacted include Providence, Norwood, Cranston, Pawtucket, Taunton, East Providence, Coventry, Cumberland, North Providence, West Warwick, Johnson, North Attleboro, Bristol, Attleboro, Mansfield, Easton, Smithfield, Lincoln, Central Falls, and Norton. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Lightning can strike 10 miles away from a thunderstorm. For your safety, go indoors or to your vehicle. Thunderstorm over North Attleboro, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazards include wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour and penny-sized hail. Strong winds could cause minor damage such as downed branches. Minor damage to outdoor objects is possible. Locations affected include Pawtucket, Taunton, Woonsocket, Cumberland, North Providence, North Attleboro, Stoughton, Attleboro, Walpole, Mansfield, Easton, Kenton, Smithfield, Lincoln, Central Falls, Norton, Sharon, Foxborough, Seacon, and Rainham. Get indoors when you hear thunder. Do not resume outdoor activities until at least 30 minutes after the storm has passed.